Patel, and I am going to giving presentation with my two friends Vasudha and Twinkle. Our presentation topic is theft of trade secrets. First of all, outline. In outline we see all the things which we are discuss. First is introduction, case report, analysis, conclusion and reference list. Now move to the first slide, which is introduction. In this I am going to present introduction of case. In this case is rise due to the internet advancement where mishandling or theft data. The case of data secret by Zhang at Apple company, which was investigated by the Apple Forensic Investigation Team and FBI. The report discussed investigation process, evidence and criminals. In this, we can use digital forensic tools such as EnCase Suite and Salute Kit. Now move to the next slide, which is case report. In this, first of all, summary of case. In this topic, I will discuss the case ex-employee of the Apple Incorporated company, which located in United States. So this employee included 40 GB data of the Apple intellectual property. The employee Zinglong Zhang joined company in December 2050 for development of autonomous car, and after working for 2 years he raising, and he was moving back to China. After some time, Apple team reviewed Zhang's network for product security. He copied confidential data which was moved on the 2 days before he was raising, and he transmitted the data to another device. Now I hand out to the Vasudha. She will continue to the next slide. Thank you.
Hi, I am Vasudha Patel. Now I continue to the next slide, which is entity. In entity, the suspected company was X-Motor in China, where Zhang started the work without acknowledgement of Apple. As company develops electric vehicle, it was suspected that they hired Zhang and he was sharing the stolen document with this company. Then they fired criminal is Zhang. For more, employee of Apple hired to work on the autonomous car development project as a hardware engineer. Now I can move to the next slide, which is types of evidence. I can see in these slides there are two types of evidence. The evidence is collected by the forensic tool and FBI team. So first evidence is engineering, schematic, manual and technical report from the subject laptop and database of the vehicle project. Now I move to the second evidence is a PDF file, and third is a personal laptop which had 40 GB data from the confidential database. Now I can continue to the next slide, which is analysis. Now we can see analysis of case report. In the case, the investigation involved network forensic and system forensic, from IP tracking and digital media and browser log. Now second one is a command line tool. In this SaluteKit command line tool is an open source tool, and the EnCase platform is selected to the investigate the case. Now I hand out to the Twinkle, which is continue to the next slide. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Twinkle Savage. Now I can conduct to the next slide, which is the evaluations of forensic tools. In this, there are various forensic tools with functions of acquire and validations and verifications data. In acquisitions, the Linux command line tools use for copy the entire data from the disk, and in acquisitions is standard as a major factor in the ISO standard. Hence, the salute key and encase can acquire data from the suspect from laptop, and where the data from salute key perform the data access from the disk and browser log. And in case kit is used for acquire data over the VPN. Now next is the validations and verifications of the tools, forensic tools. In validations and verifications, these are the elements that analyze whatever the tools is functionings as a required, and verify the data sets by hashing or MD MD5 method use. It is help to the identify which is good evidence and ignore the suspected evidence. And the next is the verifications can also be done by analyzing the header files for software tools. The hash functions are calculated and listed in the National Software Reference Library, which we can say short form is a NIST. Now move to the next slide is a justifications of selected tools. In the end of the case, the data is gathering is documented, such as a browser log, system log, database, and network track, and the copied as a image is using the forensic tools. The selected tools suitable for the case, because first is a encase site that recognize the complete forensic tools. The function analyze signature file, recover and view deleted file from the folder, log file and search file by its type, and view the register and external file viewer. And second is a salute kit. In salute kit it is a Linux command based forensic tools which help to image and analyze the drivers and disk of suspected laptop. Using this tools, command can be used to identify the disk structure and then image the hard disk of the suspected laptop. In the last, we can see the conclusion of this case. To summarize, the purpose of this report was analyzed to forensic tools for a criminal case based on a digital forensic tools. It is easy to investigate evidence, provide to evidence in a court. The main evaluations and evidence can be attained by recover the data from validations and verifications of respective tools, and we can easy to recover the file from network activity, so we can identify the proper theft of the data and proper evidence for the data. Now we can move to the next is a reference. So we can use this for reference we can use for this report. And next slide is thank you.